we gonna do these. Oh, you getting ready to film it?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta get the tarp. I'm gonna dump it out on the tarp.
Oh, you up there?
All right, Brenda, you want to help? Okay. All right, the moment of truth.
She's like a little kid right now.
This was some hard work.
I know.
The moment of truth with our potatoes. So, back in May, we planted, what was these, the red purple? No, the purple potatoes. And this one, it's some sweet potatoes. And this one, so now we're about to see if we got any potatoes in here. Oh my God. No, all I see is dirt so far. Don't tell me I'm gonna be like that man on YouTube. Like he was digging up his and he like had no potatoes.
Oh no.
Oh man.
Maybe they're in the middle. Oh, I thought you was gonna dump the whole thing over.
Oh well. Don't tell me all them leaves. Oh, see that. Do you see some? I don't see no potatoes yet.
They were growing. Oh, there they are. There they are.
Oh yeah, I see
Little
them.
tiny ones.
Mhm.
Yeah. That's the beginning.
Wait a minute. Is that these little tiny ones?
Well, hey, you cook those like salt potatoes.
Yeah.
What kind of potatoes was those?
These were the
Purple.
purple ones.
Uh-huh.
Purple sweet potatoes, right?
Oh, honey. Where the potatoes at? Oh, there's some little baby ones.
There you go.
That's so cute.
Maybe they were the soft
Look at these
potatoes.
ones, like up there.
This
What do you
Right
think?
there.
up top. Up
Go
top.
up like
Because we didn't find out if there was supposed to be the
Okay, go grab it. Go
It's
ahead. You can
supposed
grab
to be
it.
the small. Oh, you here some gloves.
Right there.
Yeah, let me give her some gloves. Yes, you can help give to the
I see one right there. It's pretty big. A couple. There's three. I can see three.
It was because maybe
I can see
they
three
were
right
soft
here.
potatoes.
I see that one.
Yeah.
Here.
There's three of them. Go ahead, Rena Ring. Grab them out. Nice and gingerly.
Yeah, so put them
Yeah.
over
Go up.
there.
Get the one up top first. There you go. See right there you go.
Where
Look
did
at that
you
one.
at? She
See?
gotta keep her
Look.
eye on.
Look.
Okay,
Yeah.
show the camera. That's a big one. Okay. So Rena.
There's another one right in front of you, honey. Up, right
Oh,
there.
here's one.
Yeah.
Okay. We got some.
They coming. They coming.
Oh, here's another one. All right. So we got some.
I just cut it too.
Yeah, so just break up the dirt
Yeah.
and see if you feel any, potatoes. Oh, here go
There go
another
another
one. There's one right here.
Oh, that's one too.
Yeah, so fill around in that dirt.
Got it.
Oh, we got a couple. That's teeny weeny, look. See, these are still babies on the root, so I think I'm gonna wait for the other two batches. Another one. Oh, look,
Oh, nice.
that's a good one. These are the purple sweet potatoes.
Oh, okay. Those are sweet potatoes.
Yeah, these are purple sweet potatoes. Is that one? There's another one.
Mhm.
There's one.
No, Leisha. Ah.
Yeah, just go ahead and break that up. Oh, see.
No, Leisha, don't touch it.
Oh! Don't eat the dirt!
You gotta wash it off. Yes, Lisha said dirt don't hurt.
Well, we got some.
Mhm.
You gotta run. Oh, I think I found something.
Oh my gosh! Okay, let's dump it out. Oh my gosh!
I found
Let's
something.
dump it. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna dump the whole thing.
Ah, I found another one.
All right, set them over. Yeah. We got some sweet potatoes. Look, turn
Oh wow.
We got this.
Oh nice.
all right, yeah, that's another one. Yep, keep digging.
I found another one.